Melody? Did you get it? Nice. So which handle would you rather grab? Modern or, yes, made to hold. We're there. I like it. Okay, so I need a couple washers. There we go. Almost there. So I've got the spacing that way. Now I just need to make it rotatable. Go right there. So trying to find the hole. I need to go that way.
It needs to remind him of that.
That. Wrong direction. Missed it. So now I need to get that to fit onto that. Get there. Pop in this location. Oh, it's gonna go pretty quick. Still high. It's getting better. Static electricity is good with this one. He likes me. He really likes me. Full length, full width, and let's see, can you read? I love it. That one's a little fat, actually. There we go. Just over 1,000th. I'll take it. So there you have it, Bedrock 604. I didn't have a Bedrock in my collection. I bought many of them in the past, but I ended up giving them away. And I thought, you know, one of these times I want to have a Bedrock in my collection. I really like this one. This is my Stanley Standard number 4. This was my go-to smoother, the one I used for everything. The problem is the threads on the depth adjuster are stripped out in the Frog. So it's always been a little wobbly, and it's gotten more and more wobbly over time, and now it's to the point where the adjustment on it just isn't functioning quite right. So I need to replace the Frog, and about the time I was going to do that and get some of the other hardware and a new yoke in there, then I came across this 604 on a great deal, and I thought, you know what? Let's make a smoothing plane that's just all of it. And so we did all of the adjustments to make it an amazing functioning plane. Now I didn't shine it up and make it pretty, and there isn't a lot on this that's showy. I made this to be fully functional. I put all the things on it that I really love to make it really functional. From the reed knobs and a depth adjuster to the Zenwu iron on this, I really went up and over to make an amazing functioning plane. Now, I'm not really happy with how the blue Japanning came out. It was kind of an experiment this time, and I may end up stripping that off and actually painting it the same as my rest of my blues. But I don't know, we'll see. I may find a recipe that actually works well, because I've been running into all sorts of issues and just haven't found one that works the way I want it to. So stay tuned for the future. But if you do have any questions, thoughts, ideas, snide remarks, then throw those down in the comments down below. Or if you want to actually see some more, I have a whole other channel called Wood by Wright How To. And on that one, I talk through what am I doing, why am I doing it, and actually explain what all is going on. So if you want to see that content, I'll leave a link to that video down below as well. But if you do put comments down below, it really helps us out. It gets us in front of more people. The like, share, subscribe, you know all about that. It really does help us, and it means a lot. And there's a bunch of people who just put comment down below, or comment CDB. Thank you for that. But if you want to be amazing, think about these people over here. Those are some of the patrons on Patreon. And between these people and members, people who click the thank you button, you guys are the ones that keep us going. And without you, we wouldn't be here. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about that, you know what to do. Links down below. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. This plane is an anti-gravity machine. Just look at these curls. They are so light, they go up rather than down.